In today's video, I'll be sharing my review on the Hanacure All-in-One Facial and Nano Emulsion. Hey, what's up? It's Padee and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy you're here. Thank you so much to Hanacure for sending me these products to try and share my honest review on. I have been eyeing this facial for a very long time, so I was so excited to try it. This right here is their all-in-one facial. This is formulated to help target your skin concerns and deliver immediate visible results. Anti-aging, clarifying, firming, lifting, brightening, contouring, pore tightening, and evens skin tone. This is hypoallergenic, formulated without parabens, phthalates, and sulfates, and not tested on animals. This comes with 4 gelling solutions and 4 lifting serums. The gelling solutions are 6 milliliters each, and the lifting serums are 1 milliliter each. And it also comes with a brush to apply the product. So now in this set, you get 4 facials for $110 US. That makes them $27.50 each. They also sell a starter pack, which you can get 1 facial for $29. So here's how the packaging looks like. It opens. Ta-da! On the back, you can see the directions and the ingredients, as well as a little bit about the product. So when you open it up, you also receive a pamphlet on the inside. So I really like this pamphlet because it shows you what to expect, how to use it. It gives you directions step by step. It also shows then on the other side how it works. And I'll read a little bit about that. So first it says contaminated skin. Our skin and pores are contaminated by impurities and pollutants, which yes, they are. Mixing the lifting serum and gelling solution creates a purifying compound designed to absorb impurities, toxins, and other contaminants in your skin and pores. The CO2 Octolift fuses the purifying compound with carbon dioxide in the air, allowing it to transition from its current liquid state back to a solid state. This re-solidification process creates a strong binding force, producing an intense lifting and tightening effect while absorbing all impurities trapped in your skin and pores. Botanical extracts work together to help calm and soothe problematic skin. Once the purifying compound is re-solidified and dried, a thorough rinse of warm water washes off all impurities absorbed, revealing smoother, clearer, and brighter looking skin. Lifting and firming effects work with peptides to combat other signs of aging, giving you flawless looking complexion. Wow, the claims are beautiful. Now I've got to say, since I've tried it, I agree with the claims. This mask works wonders. So the other side shows you how to use it. And while I read the pamphlet, I'm also going to be showing you a demo. So enjoy. So first you want to cleanse and dry your face before using the product. You want to pair each gelling solution with a lifting serum. So you want to use 1 gelling solution and 1 lifting serum together, and that is 1 facial. You must use all contents upon opening. So you have to use all of the product, or else the rest dries up and goes to waste. So you really wanna make sure that you are using all of it. I find that it's portioned out perfectly. So 1 gelling solution and lifting serum is perfect for 1 application for me. And lastly, use once or twice per week. So here's what to expect. You want to expect an intense tightening sensation within 10 minutes or less. If applied close to your under eye, you may experience gradual pulling effects, which I did, and you'll see. And so don't be alarmed by this. This is completely normal and only temporary while the mask is working. And then once you wash it off, your skin is normal again. If your skin is fairly light, like mine in pigment, or you get easily flushed, you may experience temporary redness up to 90 minutes. But don't worry, this is actually very normal and it's temporary. It's due to an increase in blood circulation as the purifying compound and CO2 Octolift work to absorb impurities while restoring your skin's flawless appearance. So that is the reason why you get the redness. So don't be too scared if you experience redness. For my first 2 tries, my skin was super red, and then the last 2 weren't too bad. So moving on to the demo, for step 1, you want to align your thumb with the downward arrow on the cap of the lifting serum. And then you want to push up to lift the cap, then carefully pull all the way back. And step 2, you want to beware of the sharp aluminum edge and then carefully unravel the outer seal to reveal the rubber cap. Now, this was extremely hard for me. I don't know why, but I struggled so much. So this may or may not be easy, but definitely not a flaw that I'm gonna ding the product about. So then once you reach the rubber cap, then you can just pop it off and it is open. So in step 3, you're going to take the gelling solution and you're not going to open it all the way. So peel the corner foil of the gelling solution back to the dotted line as indicated. Then pour all the contents of the lifting serum into the gelling solution to create the purifying compound. Then reseal by firmly holding the corner edge of the gelling solution that you previously opened, and then shake vigorously for 20 seconds, and then a gel will form. And that is your gel that you're going to apply to your face, also known as the purifying compound. In step 4, you're going to be applying this gel. So you want to open your gelling solution completely. Then using the Hanacure brush, you're going to apply the gel evenly to your face, neck, back of the hands, and you may use this sparingly under the eyes, but avoid direct contact with your eyes, eyelids, and lips. Leave it on for 30 minutes until the gel dries completely. So step 5 is a few tips to enhance your experience. You want to minimize facial movements to maximize the effects, and then you may use a fan to increase intensity. So as the product dries, my face looks increasingly more crazy and scary looking, and even me, I can't believe I look like that, but here I am, and you see how crazy I look. Yeah, good times, good times. So once you're looking super crazy, the mask is completely dry and it's been on for 30 minutes. You're going to rinse your face, neck, hands, and the brush thoroughly with warm water. And then you want to dry your brush so you can reuse it for the next 3 times. And then you can follow up with your skincare routine. It was love at first application, really. I noticed a huge difference right away. I felt like my face was lifted. I mean, lifted, firm, plump. I absolutely loved the instant results. This is gonna be great, especially for special occasions, for photo shoots, for when you really just want your skin to look so amazing, or if your skin is just acting up and you need something to help reset it. It's some good stuff. I cannot believe I waited so long to try it, but I definitely will be repurchasing this product. I was amazed by how well it works. It really did such a great job at pulling those impurities. Not only that, but really giving me a lift. I just felt like my double chin wasn't as prominent and I felt more lifted. And then throughout the day, I felt that way. And I felt like my pictures just looked so good. If your skin is lighter in pigment like mine is, you may want to apply this the night before your special event because of the redness that may or may not happen. Again, it's normal, but it may happen. And if it happens, then you may want to give your skin some time to reset. However, if you do use it the morning of, no problem. I'm sure a full coverage concealer and foundation will cover it right up. So out of 5 stars, of course, I give it 5 stars. If I could give it more, I definitely would. I highly recommend it. So now on to the Nano Emulsion. The one I have here is 40 milliliters, which is also 1.35 fluid ounces, and it is $47. You can also get a bigger one at 100 milliliters for $100. This is packed with a high concentration of scientifically proven peptides and exclusive ruby of the forest mushroom extract. It's formulated to improve the appearance of your skin's tone and texture. By using their special nanotechnology process, the skin is instantly rejuvenated with hydration that lasts. It's lightweight, hydrating, has a neutral pH, formulated without parabens, sulfates, and phthalates, no colorants, fragrance, or alcohol, hypoallergenic, vegan-friendly, and not tested on animals. You can use this daily and night to clean dry skin, to replenish and moisturize the skin for a youthful appearance. So let me show you quickly the texture. So that's one pump. And as you can see, it's a true emulsion consistency, not quite a cream where it's thick and creamy, and not thin like a serum. It's just a very good in-between. And once you start to blend it in circular motions, then you see like a very lightweight, milky texture. And so the direction says to apply this in circular motions. And if you're going to be doing this, make sure that you are lightly massaging it into your skin and not really rubbing it in. Because if you rub it in, then you're going to cause friction, wrinkles potentially, and we don't want that. I also like to pat it onto my skin too. So you can do either or both. And then, as you can see, my skin drinks it up, and it's super hydrated and glowy. And this side is super dry. So this I've been really liking. I use this as what it is. It's an emulsion, so I use it in my emulsion step, and I still follow up with a cream because I have dry skin. Now, if you have oily skin, you may be able to get by using this as a moisturizer. And on my lazy days, I do use this as like a morning moisturizer, one step, one and done. And I've been really liking it. It's true no fragrance. So if fragrance bothers you, then you're gonna really like this. And then if you really want something that gives you hydration without feeling greasy or sticky, and something that's lightweight but still very hydrating, then you're gonna really like this product. So I give this 5 out of 5 stars as well. If you have any further questions on these products, make sure to let me know in the comment section below, and I will try my best to answer them. Thank you so much to Hanacure for sending me these products to try and share my honest review. I enjoyed these products so much, and I love trying new skincare products. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to click that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. And subscribe to my socials. I am at Padee Tina Kong. If you decide to give this a try, make sure to send me your crazy selfies with the facial on. I would love to see it at Padee Tina Kong on Instagram. If you're not comfortable sharing your selfies, I know it's pretty embarrassing. I'm shocked that I'm even posting this for you all to see. But no worries, if you do still try it, I'd love to know how you liked it or maybe didn't like it. Definitely let me know. I love your DMs, or maybe just comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate your continued support. Make sure to check out a few of my other ones, and I hope to see you in my next video. As always, have a beautiful, Padeeful day. Bye!